Attention all! I am here today to sing for my supper and collect money for the almighty Church of Foamy. What I'm doing here today, everyone, is taking donations to build the grandest monument to the Lord and Master, me. And of course I don't expect you to give me money for free, so what I'm gonna do is entertain you with song. So here we go. I will kill you all, nothing you can do about it. I will kill you all, nothing you can do about it. Squirrely rap, squirrely rap, squirrely rap. You're all gonna die, you're all gonna die. Squirrely rap, squirrely rap. Alright, fine, probably not the best song to pick, but you cheap bastards. Oh, I see. You bastards probably didn't like the message, huh? Squirrely rat? No? Fuck you, alright? How about this one? This one's better, huh? I'm the Lord and Master. You all are bastards. Worship me, or I'll stab your eyes till you bleed. I'm the Lord and Master. That's me, you son of a bitch. Now give me money! Money! Money, money! Yeah. You cheap bastards. Alright, this next song I wrote because I am a squirrel. Now shut up and listen, you fucking bastards. So I'm a squirrel, and you're not. How pathetic you are. So I'm a squirrel, and you're not. You're just human. How pathetic you are. You don't have a fluffy tail. You don't have squirrely around. You just build to destroy your life. Collect some nuts. You all suck. Oh, come on! That one had a message to it. A message! You know, that like, your people just blow up stuff for no reason, and all squirrels have to do is collect nuts? Be more nature-like, man! Respect the trees! Respect them all! But respect me! Ugh. Alright, you know what? Fine. Tomorrow I'll come back with a full band. Maybe it would impress you if I had the fucking E Street band like Bruce Springsteen! You'll pay $80 to go see that fucker at Madison Square Garden, but you won't give me a nickel? Yeah, that's right. Cross the street so you don't have to deal with me. Hope you get hit by a fucking bus.